First of all, welcome to the Krauss Maffei booth, and we are showcasing two specific technologies here, reaction process and additive manufacturing. My name is Rolf Mack, I'm Vice President of Additive Manufacturing at Krauss Maffei, and we are showcasing this year here the first time our newest product line, the industry robot system. It's an extrusion-based system for large-scale additive. Main applications are molds, patterns, and end-use parts. So we are in aerospace industry, in the automotive industry, and we are branching out in new industries because it's still a quite new technology for most of the industry. So the main applications are forms and patterns. So we are usually substituting conventionally manufactured parts from aluminum to wooden forms and patterns and block material. Additive can do that more stable, more automized, and with less material usage, and the big benefit is you can reuse it. We can reuse the compounds multiple times, and this also gives a cost benefit. We actually had, since yesterday when the fair opened, a lot of really good discussions. We are now the third year in the market after we launched on the K show 3 years ago. So most of the industry experts already know us, but we are still seeing new people coming in, being attracted by the new applications we are showing. So molds and pattern, quite established already in the industry, but what we are doing as well is showing a thin wall application with 2.5 millimeter, which is a substitution of injection molding for prototype and small series, and we are showcasing that here on the fair, and we get a really good resonance on that.